Hey everyone, it's me, Unexpected Stream. Let me send out some info about this. I just got a ping that I'm streaming. Nice. Get shareable link. Here we go. And here, about some laser coding. Okay, tweeted and I have discorded. Hey KCM, welcome. Okay, cool. Okay, so I have had a crazy week, and because of it, I'm going to treat myself to doing some laser coding. Should be fun, or it should be a disaster, most likely, but that's okay. Just getting stuff set up. Does that fit on my screen? Not quite. Close enough. Okay. So I don't have the laser turned on right now. There's no point turning it on yet because I've got a bit of coding to start with, coding to do, and so I'm going to, I've just saved my, hey Keen, I just saved my existing chat message laser stuff as a new project, so it's all in there except I whipped out all the laser stuff, so you won't be able to send a message to the laser when I turn it on. I'm disabling that for the time being because I want to be able to just focus on just the turtle. I don't even know how I'm going to do it yet, other than some structs, and I don't know if there's any library, like a Q type library for Arduino. The whole no dynamic stuff is a bit of a pain, but I'm just going to do a quick bit of tidy up on this code. Yeah, just... Okay, so right now this shouldn't do anything. So I turn it on, I'll just get messages out of the debug window when people send a message. It'll just print who it was and what the message was if they do the turtle, but if they do the laser, it won't do anything. I might actually, just so I can see the message come through. So for those that don't know what, yay turtles. For those that don't know what turtles are, or what the turtle is, or what logo is, it's it was like a programming language that I played with on my Commodore 64 when I first got it. It came on a cartridge. It's been on a lot of different platforms, and basically it's a little turtle, a little triangle on the screen, and you learn to program by making it do things. You can say, go forward 100, it moves forward 100 pixels, and you say rotate right, 15 degrees, and the turtle rotates. And you can say draw again. You can program the turtle to make shapes and stuff. And I thought that would be a really cool thing for the chat to be able to control at various levels. And I've got some aspirations for this, but I've got to start with just getting it to draw a triangle on the screen that I can turn around. So that already is difficult because it's got to draw a triangle and persistent triangle on the screen, and it's got to be able to use some 3D matrices to be able to rotate on the spot. Yeah, there's lots of, turtle graphics have been around since, I'm 51, and I got my Commodore 64 when I was, 13 or something. Why have you prevented it from being played in this window? What? Hang on 1 second. Stream, not a video. Did anything. Okay, so, hey Michael. Yeah, turtle time. Anyway, so yeah, I was 13 when I got my C64. Logo's been around forever. and it's available in most languages now. I'd love to do this in Python, but that means I have to rewrite my laser stuff in Python, which I want to do at some point, but I'm not going to make you all struggle through that right now. So, and then getting all the chat stuff working in Python is a whole different story. There is so much crap in this. I really want to start the project again, but for the moment I'm just going to leave it. I'm going to create a new class, a new header, and I'll call it turtle.h. So at least it's going to be mostly transportable. Hello, Johnny. Ping. Above embedded changes, studying machine. So someone's arguing with me in the live stream Discord. Pong, ping, pong. Okay, so let's just go. Let's just think about this. I need a. We have to do a struct. I'm just thinking. I'm thinking that. I don't know the best way to do this. I don't know. Yeah. Okay. Probably have to be type def struct, and so it's going to, so the idea is that there'll be a struct that'll hold a move, and then there'll be an array of these as they get entered in. So what I need to do is build a queue of all the moves, because it's got to, unlike a screen, right, where once you draw the line stays there. The laser has to keep redrawing it every time. So if someone moves the turtle up and then to the right, it's got to keep drawing up to the right, up to the right, up to the right, again, right? So it needs to have all of the previous moves in a queue, in an ordered queue. So the easiest way, I think, to do that is going to be to make a struct of each move that'll get added to an array. That's what I'm thinking. You know, like, what do I know? I'm not a programmer. So it's going to be it's going to need a start. They have to be start X. I'll play around with what the actual types are later, right? I'm totally winging this, and it needs to have a no, we don't want that. We don't actually even want a start and we don't even want that. We want a delta. It's just going to be a delta. Delta X and a delta Y. It's how much to the no, we don't even want that. We don't even want that. It's just a direction. Not a direction, it's just a move. Right, we just want to move amount, and we want a rotate amount. So as I said, I've not even thought this out. Not even thought it out. Now, initializing these to 0, I'm pretty sure it doesn't do anything inside a struct. All right, and then okay, we're going to have a class. I don't even know what programming language I'm in. We have a class, we're going to call it turtle. There's going to be some public stuff, and there's going to be some private stuff. Length and angle, yeah. Okay, length and angles. That's a good names. Yeah, length. Well, it's not an angle. It's a rotate amount. You don't specify an angle. You specify the how much it's going to rotate. I'm going to actually leave it like those just for the moment. But yes, it is a length and an angle. Okay, so publicly there's going to be a, oh, you know what? I gotta name what this is. This is called a what is it? A command. That's a command. Oh, what's going on with this chat in live stream? Oh my gosh, yeah. Okay, so we're going to have a command, and it's going to be commands. Yes, we're going to do this as a, for the moment, I just want to test this with a like a fixed size array, like to limit the moves. I don't know how many moves I'm going to be able to get out of it, right? So yeah, and we want to int num moves equals 0. Actually, that can be private. Isn't it boring watching people code? Why is my tab not working? Wow, okay. Okay, so we're going to need a void change, not change, just void rotate, and that's going to need an angle. You need a void move, and that's going to need a length. And I don't think, hey, cable tie, I don't think we want to do a move and a rotate at the same time. Because well, that's not what the original did, I don't believe. Or maybe you could. Maybe you could stack them. I don't know. I can't remember. In this case, I think it's going to be, I don't know. Maybe we will. Maybe we'll do a, yeah. Well, for the moment, I'll just leave that. Right, and then, yeah. Mr. Ty. That's really funny. Okay. We should probably capitalize the class. So we go, do we need to have a, I never use initializers. Turtle. We should have an initializer, shouldn't we? My name is Ty, cable tie. Just store each movement with length and angle. Cable T. No. Each command can have a move or a rotate, like whatever. Like it'll process both, right? If the rotate's 0, it'll just rotate at 0. It's fine. I don't want to have to keep a different state of that. I don't think. What did you think of it? I watched it the other day. Cable tie. I hope you didn't come back with COVID. What am I doing? Nothing. Okay. Why is the formatting of this all weird? I don't know. Okay, so turtle. Oh my gosh, I should have picked a different name. That's easy to write. Turtle rotate. Angle, and that's going to be a commands moves dot rotate amount equals angle. And I know I can do a plus inside it, but I'm just going to do that here. and I should also serial.print f added rotate d as command d and comma angle comma num moves. Okay, still waiting for Cobra tests. Not good. Okay, and that's going to be move len. Let's move amount, not move mount. Was len added move okay. So that's how we're going to add them in, but I should also do a, for now, if num moves is less than, greater than or equal to 100, no, 99, no more moves. Serial.print line no more commands for rotate. Oh, I hope you're okay, Johnny. This is terrible coding, I know. Probably won't even compile, I know. So we should see, what else do I need? Include turtle.h, and that's include turtle.h, and we're going to can't type. I'm going to do turtle. Okay, so we've got a turtle here. Tool. Does anyone know where you put your? No, I don't. Okay, so we're going to get the chat part working and see if starts with turtle. So then we've got to say if I'm going to have to pull it apart, aren't I? Oh, that's going to suck. I don't remember how I pulled it apart last time. We did a similar thing. Remember when I was stripping stuff? That's right, I was replacing. Okay, so if it's got turtle, we're going to then grab the message. We're going to replace, get rid of turtle with that. And then we need to do if message dot starts with move, right, then we're going to get rid of the move and we're going to whatever's left, int len equals int, whoops, whatever is left in the message. Now we'll have to try catch this or something, but this is nasty right now. And we're going to do a tool.move len else. Oh. Else if it equals rotate, that should just be data. Data, oops, data, and it'll be rotate data. Okay, so this should allow us to put commands in, maybe. Should we see if this works? Message.toInt. Okay. Why can't you just? It doesn't work yet. It's not. Why can't I just put an int inside an int brackets like this? That should work, shouldn't it? Maybe not. Okay, I don't know if this is going to work. I don't even know if my board's selected. No, it's not. Okay. Oh, what didn't I like? Oh, stupid. Stupid number one. Yep. Stupid number one. Yes. Okay. Stupid number two. Int turtle rotate. Int. I didn't make it int, did I? I made it void. What? Forbids declaration of rotate with no type. Oh, right. Oops. Void. Yeah, my bad. My bad. Okay. Replace. Did I do typo? Where's there a typo? Oh, turtle. Yeah, I'm doing that everywhere. I can't write turtle for some reason, and I also can't write rotate. Wow. Thanks for that, Aardvark. No, include doesn't have a semicolon. Jumping between Python and C and Python and C and putting semicolons in Python when I'm not supposed to, and then forgetting them all the time to put them in C, and so now I stick them everywhere. Anyway. Now I have to make it do it. A triangle. Okay, that's good. Connecting. Okay, connecting. Good. And it should start polling. Put them in a define and then try to figure out what you missed. What? Okay. Checking for messages. So we go turtle move 100. So every second poll is going to do that error. I still haven't solved that. Oh, Turtle move 100. Added move 100 as command 0. Done. Turtle rotate 15. Oh, Johnny. Okay, rotate 15 is at command number 1. Johnny's one's gonna, there you go. Turtle make a left turn, received from Johnny. That's nice, but it didn't do anything with it. Cool, okay. So there's 3 commands in there. Great. Okay, so now we need to get it drawing something on the screen. Okay. Get in the sea. Who did that? Well, why are you all doing that? Really? Do I have to block chat? Silly people. Okay. There is no graphics window. So what do you mean there's no graphics window? KCM? Testing my error handling. Yeah, we're not doing error handling right now, okay? Just so we're clear on that. The screen is behind me on the wall, but I haven't turned my laser on yet. This is for lasers. Yumbo Prime, hello. Thinking about the poor turtles. Sure, okay. So we need a triangle. Or a turtle. We need a turtle. So turtle. Turtle graphics. Just to be clear, we did not use move and rotate. Who did not use move and rotate? Behind me on the wall, KCM. Just wait for it. Wait for it. Now, we want to... We want it to be wherever it starts. I know you didn't do move and rotate. I know that. And it just ignored your messages, which is fine. So where am I going to start the triangle? It doesn't really matter. I'm going to move it. It's probably not going to be enough. I'm going to move it. FF. And then I'm going to move, so it's across. What's half of FF? Start in the center. No, why would I, no, why do I want to start in the center? Well, that's going to make it hard to work out the maths. Come on. And it's not, well, the center is, it's all, this has to be relative. Yeah, don't muck around with my error handling. If you guys break it, I'm going to ban you. Okay, so if we start, I'm trying to think. It's going to be a move. Okay, so if we 0x 0x0, and then we're going to turn on and we're going to move. So if starting in the center, we're going to go up. Up 80, and then we want to come down. We're going to go to the right 80 and no, see, I can't start in the center because I can't go negative. I can't move. I can't do a negative direction. Who's trolling in Discord? Where are you trolling in Discord? Oh, right. In there you're trolling in Discord. Okay. Yeah, see, that's not going to work. It needs to be... The the laser... Oh. So it's going to have to be the center of the screen, but then it's got to move. I can't tell it to move in a negative direction. I can't tell it to move in a negative direction if it's doing this. So it has to be from the middle. So I'm just, okay. So it's got to go up, FF. And it's going to go across and come back down to 0, 0. Then it's got to go... No, that one's not going to work. It's got to start at... Far out. There's no rotation involved here. This is drawing a graphic. This is... Yeah. I need to draw this on a piece of paper. This is like an X and Y on a screen. There's no negative X, Y on the screen. Yeah, 0.5. Ken, you're in a good mood, aren't you? You're in a really good mood. So if that's 0, 0, then this is going to be 80, FF, FF. Okay, so it's going to have to go from 0, 0, and then it's going to have to go at 80, FF. It's going to go to 80, FF, 0, and then it's going to go to 0x8, 0, 0, 0, comma, x, 0, 0. I think that is it. That should give me a turtle, I think. Yes, I'm asleep. Lucky you. Okay, so we need to draw the turtle on the screen, on the screen. But we need to draw the turtle last after we've drawn everything, kind of. Okay, so we want to, where's one of his examples of drawing a graphic? You had to think a graphic with a, here, rotated 3D. Okay. Draw Oh God, I cannot write the word turtle. Okay, 0, 0, that's fine. Calc object area, turtle graphic. And we're going to just for the moment. Okay. This should allow us to draw the turtle. I can't draw Python. Okay. Let's see if this draws a turtle. Okay, I'm just going to compile. It's probably going to crap out. I'm going to turn the laser on. That is way too quiet. What did I forget? Yeah, semicolon. I bet it draws a triangle. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's going to draw a triangle. That's okay. That'd be a good start. Turtle graphic. Oh, man. Double clicking on stuff in Arduino IDE is terrible. Getting warm in here. It's been raining, then hot, then raining, then hot. Okay, here we go. There's a dot on the wall. That's a start. Yeah, Arduino IDE is terrible. Yes, it is. Oh! Okay, that's fine. I know what that is. That's my stuff that comes up on the screen when I'm connecting to the internet. Did you not see the text that went past, KCM? Did I set this to low latency? Yeah, I did. Well, this doesn't seem to be drawing. Oh, we have a triangle, but I didn't double dot it. Oh, you see that? There was a triangle on the screen. Yay! It looks terrible. I need to double position it. Hang on. There's just no corners on it, so I need to add each one twice, which keeps it in the right spot. It is playing a tune, isn't it? Can you hear it? High-pitched sound. Oh my gosh, comma. Hard to see from over there. Yeah, it's a little turtle. It's little. We'll get there. Don't worry. Blue dot. You're in fine form, Keen. Fine form. Wakey wakey. Probably turn my logo off because that's going to be competing with. Anyway. Okay, here we go. Check for messages. There we go. Turtle. Yep, we have a turtle. We have a triangle on the screen. Now I can play with where it starts position wise. That's at 0, 0 apparently. Laser offset 0, 0. Let's start it down at minus 100. And I wonder if I can actually make the scale. If I just use this for the scale. That'll be interesting to see. What I should do also is put draw turtle at the top. We should have it drawing the turtle no matter what, I reckon. Here we go. I'm glad you're not a mod here, Keen. You would have destroyed my channel already today. I'm just kidding. Okay, connecting. Why is it not drawing a turtle? Turtle, turtle, hello. Didn't like me using the scale, or didn't like me doing -100. Oh, there it is up in the corner. What? So that scale is a bit of a no-go. Let's not do the scale thing. And the -100, well, I don't know, that's should be doing something. That should be setting the start position. Okay, so what we need to do, yeah, you still, well, you want to stick to 2.01 if you like. 2.02 is disaster for me. Every time it polls, obviously the logo goes away because it's all blocking, which is really annoying. Okay, we need this turtle to be bigger. It's just too small. No, but we need a decent drawing area as well. Okay, okay, so we need a way of getting all the commands. We need a it's not clear. No, because it's off to the side. Now let me just fix that. I'm going to put it back to where it was. Let it compile. Put it back to where it was, and I'll show you the. It's quite loud. You see, it's because I did that scale thing. It's pushed it up to the side and made it really bad. Okay, so we're going to do a we want to get so you can't see my coding now. That's the problem. Okay, I'll put it back in a second. So we also need a method. We need an int num commands void int turtle num commands return num moves. Okay, so you'll see now that the turtle should look like a turtle. There we go. Well, it's a triangle. It's actually not filled in, but it's just the glow from the camera. It looked like a pin-up before, now it looks like a triangle. Okay, so every time we do a draw turtle, we want to int moves equals turtle dot number of commands. Wow. And we're going to go for... I could have done all this in one line. And whatever int I equals 0, I is less than moves I plus plus. Say command C equals turtle dot commands I, and we want how am I gonna, even if I rotate it, how am I gonna move it in its own forward? I don't even know how I'm gonna do that. A turtle. Where did I write turtle? Maybe I wrote turtle somewhere. Looks like poop. I don't know. It's a triangle. Looks like poo. Okay. Well, if you guys don't want to see it, that's fine. Okay, I gotta remember how. I don't remember any of his syntax. Draw string, string advance, advance, draw string. Draw object. Isn't there a draw line? Isn't there a line? Draw a line. Okay. Laser dot draw line from y equals 0, I guess. Yeah, this isn't going to work. Like, drawing a line's not going to... I need to use like a vector 2. Is there any vector 2? I can't remember. No. Damn. Couldn't remember if we had any vector stuff in here. The command's got to be turtle XYZ. Is it? I can't remember what the commands were, but whoops. Sorry. Whoop. Sorry. Man. Doxy docs. So, like, does everyone understand what the problem is? And this is going to be a maths problem that's way above my head. Way above my head. Let's see if this works. Whoa. Look at that. So, if I've got a turtle and he's facing this way, that's his top. And I say move forward 100, he moves forward that way, right? No problem. His forward is the way he's facing. If I tell him to rotate 45, he's facing this way, and I say move forward, he's got to move that direction. So, which is not how the laser works. The laser works with deltas, but in like give me a position. I need to work out where this position is, and you normally do that with a vector 2. Right, or a vector, but a vector 2, which has a, basically, there are 3 things. It's got an x, comma, y, and a magnitude. The magnitude is how far, and the x and the y is the direction. So where do you keep an angle as a state? The angle as a state doesn't help me. I need the maths to calculate. So if I say move forward, and its angle is, I don't know what you mean by a state. No, you don't use sine and cosine. You use a vector. There's got to be a vector library for Arduino. Or you can use what Michael just did. Okay, really? Yeah, I know you can use sine and cosine, but there's yeah, okay. Well, right, times rectangle coordinates. Fine. So so I need to store a, okay, so I'm just going to paste that there. So I need an angle. Okay, that's not how I was thinking of solving it, but fine, it's totally cool. C dot, does it move amount? And that is C dot. And the angle will be angle will plus equal C dot rotate amount. So it'll accumulate the angle. Going to need some degrees to radian conversions. No, don't tell me that. You said all you need is X. You typed all you need is that and that. I can't do the relative X and Y coordinates once and storing them because I don't know where they are yet. Anyway, I don't need performance. Performance is not an issue right now. Okay, I'm just thinking while I'm streaming. Actually want this to be, I don't want it to be plus because I need to draw a line to a line. Draw a line, or can I just do a move to? Hang on, maybe I could just, if I just use the send to. If I don't use draw line and I just actually use the send to. Okay, maybe that'll work. So that'll be current X, current Y and laser send to current X, Y, maybe. And then we want this to be there and there, I believe. Maybe. So we go through the number of moves and we grab each command, we add the rotation. If it's 0 rotation, it does nothing. The only problem is the move won't happen. Oh no, because you'll still get cos of 0 and sine of 0. That's fine. And then we tell it to send to. And just send to, does it turn off and on the laser? I don't think it does. I might have to handle turning the laser on and off myself. Can't remember. Draw object. I might have to handle turning it on and off myself. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Let's see if this works. Why do I need degree to radian conversions? I'm not using radians. Oops. Per Y. No, X. Starts at 12 o'clock and grows clockwise. That's okay, starting at 12 o'clock is the right direction. Vector 2.h. Here's a vector 2.h. Negation. Is there a rotation? Uniform scaling, dot product, normals, reflection, angle between two vectors. Yeah, cool. Okay. Let's see what this does. It's probably going to break. Turtle move 100. Whoa. Yeah, didn't like that. Well, that's not good. I'm going to reset it because that's making some bad noise. Resetting it will clear the chat message. I think I just knocked it as well. And radians, remember 360 equals 2 pi. Yeah, so I wouldn't have, that's what I was saying, I was going to use a completely different way of doing it. Problem is I can't see There's no rotate in here. So what happens if I just try to rotate it? Well, that's not going to work anyway. Okay, well, C++ move X, Y in specific direction. Move 2D point along angle. Well, that's just giving me what I already had. With ratings for sine, 3 o'clock is usually 0 and pi is 12 o'clock. So 5 minutes, I missed the code you wrote. Are you using? No, I'm not using. Yo, it's radians. No, I've not divided the 360 int angle into pi radians. I'm trying to find some example code to do that. Whoops. No, double, so call this R, radian angles equals 360 times pi divided by, well, it won't be, it'll be angle, won't it? Like this. Does that look right? Oops. So I'm supposed to pass cosine and sine the pi equivalent angle, right? What do you mean divide? What does divide mean? Divide and conquer? I'm dividing the angle by 2. Oh my god. I'm dividing it by 2 times pi. I don't do maths, folks. Your angle times pi divided by 180. That's what I had. That's what I had. Isn't that... No. My angle times pi divided by 180. My angle times pi divided by 180. Like that? And should there be brackets around those? Like that? Yes, there should be brackets. Hey JF, yes, it's the Arduino IDE. Let's not comment about it. We all know it's shit. No bracket. Oh. Okay. Okay. Compiling it and pushing it up. Let's see what happens. Don't just say sorry for having to leave. I think I want to leave right now. Okay, crossing fingers. Sure. I'm crossing my toes as well. Need to get something to stop the desk from doing this. Crossing fingers is something we'll draw on the screen. I don't think YouTube would approve of this at all. Okay, checking for messages. We should get it. Okay, we've got a turtle. So if I go, I just want to try. I'm just going to try rotating it. Float rating of 2 times. Oh, yeah, no. That's the 45-degree angle. That doesn't look very good. Let's if I rotate it another 45. This is interesting. Okay, I'm going to get rid of the laser send to, and I'm going to just, I'm going to recompile, just see if I can get the turtle rotating. Forget about, because the send to is moving it around, and then I don't think the draw object rotation is working at the right spot. If you got coffee, can I have a coffee? Keen? Can you bring me a coffee, please? No sugar, milk, skinny milk, strong. First person that brings me a coffee, I'll give them my whole laser controller setup. How's that for a deal? See, this is supposed to be my reward for a hectic week. And instead, this is torture. I feel like this is torture. Who's pinging me on Discord? Cable tie's in Melbourne. I don't think he's listening. I think he's gone. Been an hour. Oh, I don't think it'll last an hour. Okay, so we have a turtle again. Rotate 45. Sock jaw to tidy. Priorities. Okay. Interesting. That's not broken now. But I can't really tell which way it's facing. Right. So that's 90-degree rotation. That's just a line now. So that's not good. So this is just using their object rotation stuff here. Oh, hang on. Maybe because it's rotate 3D and I'm not supposed to be 3D. Hang on. Wait. Right, I don't want to be doing this one. Size, long, center, and angle. That's probably why. Angle. Okay, let's try that. I'm going to make some boards. Did we slip into the fourth dimension? Yeah, we did. I think so. But I think I know why that's not rotating properly. It's trying to do a 3D rotation on it. Rotating on just one axis, but not the correct axis. And the neighbours. No, they don't. Okay, come on. It's got the IP address. Okay, it's now at 000 where it should be, at 00, and if I rotate it 10, it hasn't come through yet. Next one. Oh, 73 messages had to skip. Checking for messages. Okay, that should be rotated 10, and it is. We have it rotating. And now if I rotate it an extra 45, it should be at 55. Except it's not. I think it's going off the edge of the screen. It's going off the edge of the screen. So I tell it to go minus 55. I don't know if this will work. It should go back up again. It should be just a normal 90-degree or starting position. Yep. Okay, and if I rotate it the other way. So it's right on the edge of the boundary and it distorts the edges. That's why it looked a bit funny, I think. So if I rotate this now, if I tell it to rotate 90, it should be facing this way. Well, that way. It should be facing that way when it comes through in a second. Oh, no. No, that didn't work. Okay, what's if I set the offset to make it start at 50, 50? Okay, let's start it further over. I think it's just been clipping because it's got that clipping stuff. I think it's been clipped. Clippity clipped. I think. I'm just recompiling. Yeah, have to deal with edge cases, literally. It's clipping off the screen. Okay, it's going to start at 50-50 now. 50-50. I don't know where 50-50 is on my wall. I just started at 1,000. We should put it roughly in the center because I'm doing the, yeah, that's what I should have done. Okay. Poor paperclip turtle. Poor clipped. Oh, I get it. Poor clipped turtle. Right. You don't need coffee, Keen. You really don't. I'm having a lemon lolly. Nom 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 nom. Okay. Here we go. It's maybe moved a little bit. So if I rotate at 90 degrees now. I wish I could fix this error thing every second one. Okay. It's better. It's not a line now. But it's still clipping. So I've made it 1,000 by 1,000 now. That should put it in the middle. Okay. I'm sorry if you're all finding this boring. It's a little boring, I know. Apparently I'm making a product called a flying pico. Anyone know about that? Come on. Go, go, go. Hello, Ian. What are you doing up at 5 AM? That is crazy. Please be in the center. Be in the center under the arm. Please, 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 please. Close enough. Okay, rotate 90. Yeah, flying pico. Matt Trentini tweeted. Please rotate that way. When it polls and gets. Come on. Hello. Get my message. Hello? No, it's not getting my message. Maybe it stomped it. Oh, cool. Okay. Rotate 90. We have a 90-degree rotation. Now if I tell it to rotate another 33. No, I didn't misspell it. Hello, Chris. Come on. Now I've added 33 to that. Okay. So we need to get some movement happening back in again. Now we'll see if we can do the movement. Now that rotation's fixed. I don't like our chances, but we'll see. And then we have to add color. Turtle do a barrel roll. Pretty sure that won't work, Chris. Pretty sure. I have a hunch that that won't work. Order one when you're less broke. I know that feeling. Turtles are brown. Yes, they are. Lucky for me, mine's a turtle, not a turtle. come on, do it, do it. Okay, we're going to move 200. I'm going to rotate 90. And I'm going to move 200 again. Whoa! Kind of. Kind of. Okay, it's not understanding how to do the laser off thing. Remember I said to you I need to manage the laser turning on and off? Turtle on acid. Yeah. Cool demo. Sure. Wasn't what I had planned. So let me go back to send to. Send to. So at the end I need to do a laser.off. And I need to do a it definitely looks like it's drawing the turtle every step, but it shouldn't be. You should be drawing the turtle at the end. You see up the side, it looks like there are lots of turtles. I don't quite know what that is, sewing a zipper. Those are off. The laser off there, and I want to do a laser on there, maybe. Oh, you can't see my code, doesn't matter. I'm compiling. I'll try it again. Can we use the old AutoCAD style commands as an option, please? No, Chris. No, we cannot. No, this is logo. Move and rotate, that's it. And color. For this anyway. This is just a queue of commands. Let's also do a smaller movement. Okay, come on, come on. I know you know logo. HPGL. Yeah, I don't think so. Okay. We're going to move 50. I want to abbreviate all this as well, but rotate 90. And then move 50. Got the first move, got the first rotate. Come on, commands. That's not working. Didn't like me turning the laser off and on the move. So what's if we instead do okay, I think I know what I can do about that. Is a lazy turtle. Hey Graham. So we want to go long. Oh, hello. We want to go long new x equals and long new y equals, and then we want to do a laser dot draw line from current x, current y to current x plus new x, current y plus new y, and then we want to make current x equals new equals this plus equals new x y, because I think the draw line does a laser on and off by itself, plus equals new y, but technically we don't need to turn it off on each step. How many things are you going to give us to play with? Your streams aren't that boring. Yeah, I don't know. Oh my god, you can't even see my coding. Why didn't you tell me? Oh, I keep forgetting to change the screen. What? You need to draw the turtle at the start point and then at the end point. Then draw the line. I don't want to see the turtle at the start. I want to see the turtle always at the end of the line and then draw the turtle. I'm just thinking that I shouldn't need to do this. I'm just going to copy that and undo it. I think the issue is I shouldn't have done the on and the off, because it should stay on the whole time, because it's moving a delta. But I am going to oh, I need to do a send to the start. Ah, right. I need to do a send to there, and then I need to turn the laser on. I think that was the problem. I think. So I wasn't turning the laser off, so it was going back to the start position, was that big diagonal line. So I send it to the start position, which is 0, 0, forgetting the offset. Then I turn the laser on, then I draw through the stack. Then I draw the turtle. Then I turn the laser off again anyway. But whatever, I think that's Wednesday and Saturday on the joint line. No, yeah, I know I wasn't. I know. Okay, let's try this again. Once it starts, I have to wait for it to start, otherwise. Because what I do now is I tell it to, the first time it grabs all the messages, I dump them, so I don't get all the history. And so if I send my message too quickly, it gets dumped as part of that. Okay, so turtle move 50. Turtle rotate 45. So I'll move 50. It's got to it's got to move and rotate and move there, but it doesn't seem to be doing it. Or 50 is too small. 50 is obviously too small. There is a little bit of a line inside that, but you just can't see it. Okay, let's move 350. And rotate 45. And then move 500. Have to work out what the coordinates are going to be. Whoop! That's interesting. It's moving in the opposite. Draw object rotated. I think I need to see what's going on here. I think that's using an offset. So this should be grabbing each. Split personality, yeah. Like it's the line it's drawn looks kind of right. You're not really. Well, I am. The turtle is. It's not. It shouldn't be in physical space. It should be in. Yeah, it's not in physical space. This is the drawing the object, rotated. Center X, center Y, and angle. It should be starting off at. Oh, it's the center of. It's drawing off, but still, shouldn't be that far out. Well, it is, because I'm passing the center X and the center Y. And here it's drawing it based on the center X and the center Y. That does a laser off at the end, which is interesting. So I can get rid of that laser off. See? And it's doing it at current X, current Y. So it is telling it to be at those values. The last value is where it's telling it to be. Or you mean this offset up top here? I think it is. Well, it's supposed to be. Maybe not. Oh no, yeah, because the offset is handled by the send-to. See, the offset is in here as part of the send-to. So that's not it. It's not the offset. This line here, when it tells it to go to that new position, wonder if I need to be using these toInt macros. Out of curiosity, but Oh, I think I know why. I think because I need to do that after. Maybe that's why. Let's try that. No, the read word is where it's pulling the data out from my shape. And then it works out whether the pen is going up, the laser's on or off based on those values, and then it does a send to. So from wherever it is, so they're all deltas inside that. I think the issue was I was doing a calculate object box in the initial position, and then I was telling it to draw somewhere else. I think. I hope. I hope. Okay, come on, boot up. Connecting to Wi-Fi. Connected. Okay. Come on, grab and dump. Grab and dump. Internet's going a bit slow. Okay, it's connected. Checking for chat messages. There's our turtle. Oh, there's a dot on the screen. That's a bit weird. I don't know what that dot's from. So do a move. 350. Yeah, that's interesting. It's moved like it's the center of the thing. Did I say? So I told it to move 350, and that's a pretty small move. Well, there's a big flash that goes across the screen quickly. You see that line? Wonder what that is. Hmm. You know what I think it could be? You know what I think it could be? I think it's because I'm not holding on each start or end position. I think what I need to do is I need to send it twice. I need to send it twice because it's like moving and turning on. It's not like going there, draw, and then going there and draw. I think that could be it. Let's try that. Let's recompile that. Wow, concurrent viewers are dropping like flies. Everyone's bored. Everyone's bored. Don't send the same twice. Reverse direction. No. I don't want to reverse direction. I want it twice. I don't want to change its position. I want it to hold at that position. That's how I do the corners. So like on the triangle, I've got each coordinate twice to hold it there. Draw a line, to draw a line twice, draw from one end and back. No, but I need to end up at the right end. I'm not drawing it twice. I'm talking about the point, not the line. I don't want to draw the line twice. I'm not drawing it twice. I'm giving the coordinate twice, so the laser stays at that point for longer. That's what I'm doing. Okay, turtle move 100. So that's really weird. Drawing the endpoint then to the start and back again won't solve this problem. I'm talking about hard edges. Yeah, I want them to show, it's got to be all together. Like, here's the turtle, and this is the line that got there. I think it's wrapping or something. I know they need to be. They are being redrawn every frame. They are. I know. I think 500. Didn't like that at all. I'm gonna try my other version, which was this one. Whoops. Okay. Where are you getting angle plus equals foo? So what's that? It's not an array of lines. They're just... you missed the start. It's just a struct. It's a list of... Hang on, class laser. Oops, draw a line. $627. What? 627. We're seeing 677. Yeah, that angle is in degrees. It's not ouch, Chris. There's nothing that needs to be performant about this. It's not ouch. This is just prototyping. I'm just hacking this together, mate. Like, really. Yeah, I don't want to do that to the angle, Aardvark, because that's being done down here already for the turtle, and the turtle's working. Chris, thanks. I don't need help on how to do that. What I've got works fine. It was all tested before you even came online. Yeah, I haven't done... Yeah, I'm not error checking any of this stuff right now. So why is the movement to the left? I want it to move up to start with. I think I need to flip X and Y around. Well, there you go. Look. That worked. You can't see. Hang on 1 second. 2 mirrors. Okay, let me 1 second. So then I move, so I'm going to rotate it again 90, and I'm going to, this time I'm going to move it 300, then rotate it 90, and move it 300. So this worked. It's just not. It's not moving in the direction. Can you see that? The rotation of the turtle is not correct for the rotation of the... You can't see that. But it shows that my 500s are correct. So hang on a second. Okay, I want to... So flip the sine and cosine. Yeah, I was going to try that. Sine, cos, cos. This is working, except the turtle is not facing the direction that it's moving. This is working. I know. I'm going to make the movement bigger, and let me see if I can fix the overblownness. Maybe I can fix the overblownness. 1 second. No, I think it's X and Y, maybe. Are wrong. I don't know. But that was working. So I have to do move bigger amounts. I'm going to move 1,000 for the first move once this connects. Okay, so we're going to move it that, rotate it 90, move it 1,000. Here we go. See? Rotate. Going to rotate 45. Sorry about the noise. Move it 1,000 again. See? Oh, you know what? I know what it is. Yes, it's still rotated the wrong way. I think it needs to be rotated the negative direction. But I'm playing back the list in the wrong order. I'm playing back the list in the wrong order. Ugh. That's what it is. I equals number of moves minus 1. I is greater than or equal to 0. Oh, okay. But it's still the wrong direction. So it's working, it's the wrong direction. Can you see it's pointing that way? It should be pointing that way. I don't know if you can see me. So I'm playing it back wrong. It should be drawn this way, but it drew this way. But you see the direction of the arrow? I think I need to minus the direction of the arrow. I need to minus the direction of the arrow. I reckon. Okay, let's try this. What are you lolling for, Chris? How delayed is this? This is so delayed. Anyway, whatever. No, it's not a sine cosine thing. It's not a sine cosine thing. It's literally a playback in the wrong direction. I'm not using sine or cosine to rotate the turtle. The sine cosine is now correct, the movement direction. It's the turtle is in the wrong direction. Okay, this should work. Whew. How crazy is this? Yes, the delay is horrible. Sometimes you take my answer off. Yeah, sorry. I don't know why it's so slow today, but it is slow, for sure. So Johnny was right about what? the sine and cos, flipping those, yeah, that helped with the movement thing, but it was playing back wrong direction. Okay, so I'm going to move up 1,000. Then I'm going to turn to the right. No, I just moved twice 1,000. That was an accident. Oh! Oh! I think I moved it too far. Oh, no, it doesn't like angled. Right, it doesn't like... Bet you it's this. Okay. That's me doing a minus angle. That looks awesome. Ship it. Ship it. That won't work either. Laser go brr. Wow, this is so delayed. I need a coffee. I really... Where's Cable Tie? Playing with his sock drawer. Sometimes error checking is important. No, this is not my... This is their code that did that, not my code. Clearly their code can't do a negative number in the angle. Okay, let's try this again. Move the turtle 1,000. No, that won't work. Apparently not with the S. Okay. Does your math library have the functions implemented by chance? I don't have a maths library. No, look at that. It's still not good. That's really bizarre. Sock drawer nearly done, but it's wedding anniversary today, so I might not get over. Oh, Cable Tie, you tease! You're a tease! String theory. Yeah. I'm just recompiling. I think I know what it is. Maybe. Maybe not. Keep it safe for fun. Come on. Okay. Connecting to the internet. Torturing Galvos. No, that's actually less work for the Galvo than the turtle was, let me tell you. God, this delay is insane. Anyway. Okay. Come on, come on. Dump the messages. Okay. Move 1,000. Cross your fingers. Come on, get the message. Okay. It's next to the turtle for some reason. It's next to the turtle, but if I now go rotate 45 and then move another 1,000. It's not working. It's got the 45 rotation. Let's do it again. Whoop. Was it gone? You shouldn't have. I know. I just unreversed it. I just unreversed the list processing. Because it's not processing it backwards. I think it's just drawing it the wrong direction. So I've now reversed the movement. Instead of doing plus equals, it's doing minus equals. Although I think the Y was correct, just the X was wrong. So I think that's what's busted this now as well. I'm going to change that one. Okay, building, compiling. It is getting close. It is. Okay, uploading. Go, 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 go. Don't cross the streams. I've only got one laser. I'm very lucky. Okay, resetting. Okay, it's connecting. Wake up, Neo. Come on, come on. Connect to the stream. It's really, the internet is really slow. Like, it's taking forever to connect to the channel and the stream. Okay, it's connected now. I need it to grab those old messages and dump them. Okay, dumped. Okay, move 1000. Oops. Didn't mean to do that twice. See, the turtle is not the right spot. It's so frustrating. See, it's drawing up. I did a rotate. It's just the turtle's not moving for some reason. Turtle's facing the right direction now. But he's not moving. I am doing that, Chris. The very last thing it draws is the turtle at that last position. At these last positions, that's where it's drawing the turtle. See? Scope issue. What? So it's definitely working. Like I just told it to rotate -90 and move another 1,000. Each one of those movements is 1,000. So that's working. You start I at 0 to 1. What? Oh, whoops. That's a typo, but yep. Okay, but that still doesn't affect why the turtle hasn't moved. Yeah, some other problem. Thanks for pointing that one out, though. Just recompiling. I wonder if it's just my preview that's delayed. Can someone type in hello in the chat right now, please? Just the word hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. That's way faster, thanks Joe, than my stream is. I've not even asked yet in my preview window that I can see for someone to say hello yet. Okay, so let's clear the messages. Here we go. Move 2,000. Rotate 90. See, the turtle hasn't moved again. Rotate -90. That'll be interesting. And then move 1,000. See, it's rotated the correct direction. It's facing that way, well, that way, and then it should move in a second, but the line will be on top. See? The turtle should be up there. Link to the library, I have some ideas. The actual library, sure, but mine's completely hacked. Like the version of this is, the version I'm using is, the version that you download is totally incompatible with my system. Dump the value of the current X and Y for the turtle when you display the first time. Yeah, I can. The library is called, oh God, I can't even remember, hang on. Does he have a header? He doesn't have a link in his header anywhere. I'll have to find it for you, Michael, but so we're going to go serial dot, oops, can't see. Serial dot print line begin. And we're going to, and after each step, we're going to serial.printf moved from I know I need to move it up. I will in a second. Yeah, I'm going to. I'm going to do a print for the turtle. Oh, what is these Zs? Oh my god, I hit the wrong key. Drawing turt. I'll fix them up in a second. At right, that. What didn't I like there? Oh, too many things. Whoops. Got to get rid of those. Hey, Matt. Freaking laser sharks. Logo where the turtle's not moving. Grr. Getting cold in here. Okay. Laser turtles. Laser turds. Wake up, Neo. Can you guys hear the noise of the Galvo when that happens? Okay, begin. Drawing turtle at 127, 127. Interesting. Looks cool, but that's not the look you're going for. No, the turtle is not where it's supposed to be. Whoa, okay. Yeah. You can hear the high pitch? Okay, cool. I thought it was just me. Okay, so let's move it. Move it 1,000. Right, still drawing the turtle at 127, 127. Which is weird, isn't it? Because I'm adding new Y to it. And I know it's working because if I go rotate minus 90 and then I move it again, what? So from 127, 0 to 127, 1000, then 127, 1000 to 127, 1000, because I'm doing it twice. Oh, that's the start. 127, 1000 to then to there. So from there to there. Oh, right, it's doing the second move, because that's the rotation one. That's okay. And then, but so it should be at 1127 by 1000. Current X and current Y are declared at the top. Here, outside the loop. They're supposed to get reset every time. What does calc object do? It just works out the bounds of it all and other stuff. I wonder if it does something to these. Right, it might actually recalculate the center. Oh, it will. It will. It will. It will. Oh, yep. I know what it is. Cent X. It's going to overwrite current X and current Y. Minus cent X and current Y plus cent Y. I'm seeing the reflection of it on my camera off the wall. It's doing in my eyes. I bet you that's it. I bet you that is it. Current Y plus. It does modify them? Yep, yep. Right, it passes back the center of the object and the width and the height of the object, but not in relative space, in absolute space, based on its own coordinates. That's what it is. That's what it is. Yeah, it's a reflection off the screen off my DSLR, but I keep thinking it's going to shoot me in the eye, but it's the wrong direction. That's pretty funny. Okay, here we go again. Fingers crossed. Do you mean to only 0 cent Y? What do you mean only? Doesn't that set them both to 0? That comma that equals 0. I'm sure that does them both equal 0. Doesn't matter what they're set to because this overwrites them anyway. Okay. Connecting. No, it doesn't? Okay. Stupid language. What a silly language is this? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what they're set to. This function sets them. So it doesn't matter. Okay. So. Yeah, they don't need their out parameters. Okay, so if I go back to, if I do a move turtle, the turtle should go up. Come on, turtle. Go up. Go up. G'day, Gren. Go up. Go. Come on, everyone, chant with me. Go up. Go up. I think I've offset. No! No, 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 no! No, 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 no! Okay, I'm getting rid of the centering stuff completely. I don't want the centering stuff at all. I don't care about the center. Center can go F itself. Okay. Let's do this again. Yeah, no, not even a sign swap. I'm just getting rid of the offset I did. Forget it. I'm just going to plonk it. I don't care. I'll worry about the offset of the center of the triangle later. Stupid turtle. Stupid turtle. Ah, see? Shouldn't have chanted. My own fault. Still waiting for a coffee from someone. Matt, can you bring me a coffee? Lucky Yuz is not watching. I had the wrong sign on it. No, I deliberately had it. Anyway, it's fine. It's fine. You need one too? I'll meet you somewhere. Not in New South Wales. Okay. Come on, come on. A little late for a coffee? Rubbish. Who told you that rubbish? Come on. Why aren't you connecting? Here it goes. Okay, so. Here we go again. Everyone chant after me. Move turtle up. Move turtle up. Rum and Coke time. Do it, do it. Move turtle up. No! It's drawing the turtle at the right spot. It's telling it to. So what's this draw object rotated? Let's come on. What's it doing with the position? Center X and center Y. It's doing what? It's grabbing the X and the Y. And it's minusing this. No! That's not what I want. That's not what I want. What do you mean fix the sign? There's no sign to fix. What are you talking about? Oh, you're saying that I should be doing a... Right, you're saying I should be doing a negative. Is that what you're saying? Like that? Well, the way we can test that is if I go turtle rotate minus 90 and then turtle move 1000. Okay, turtle rotated. So it's always going to draw it at its absolute position and then move it via the center, which is silly. There we go. No, where's the turtle gone? Turtle's gone all the way left as well. So I bet you this also needs to. Okay. Oh, I'm getting rid of these serial prints. They are I know it's going in the right spot now. They are spamming. Spammy. Okay. Can't believe you stopped drinking coffee at 3 o'clock, really? I can have like a really strong coffee at like 10 o'clock and go to bed, go to sleep. I told you the library's bad. Did I not say the library was bad? How many streams have I said that it's a really bad starting point, but it works? I don't want to be using this library. I need to, but I just haven't had time. I haven't had time to take out the stuff that's good and put the other stuff in. Like it's a library that decides to be everything for everyone, but doesn't do anything good. Give me some laser and I'll write you a Python one. I can write a Python one. It's all the maths I can't do, clearly, as you can all see. You swapped sign cos but didn't flip the signs, so you're in a rotated coordinate that... Right. Possibly. Well, we're about to find out. About to find out. Come on, clear the last messages. Here we go. Go. Move turtle up. Move turtle up. X has to be negated. Move turtle up. Because it's minusing X. Move turtle up, up! So it's not offset correctly. But can everyone see that? Now if I rotate it 90 and I move it again, will the X be correct? The turtle's offset. I'll deal with that later. Go. Do it. Do it. Yep. Oh. No. Turtle's up in the air. That's not good. No. Turtle's up in the air. Seriously. This is so disappointing. Stupid turtle. Because it's rotating, because the center it's rotating around is the problem, I think. The good news is I can draw pictures. If we get rid of the turtle, let's get rid of the turtle, and then you can just draw lines and pictures. You know what I mean? It'd be awesome. Oh. I want to draw. Yeah, I'm just going to draw object rotated C on. There we go. Now I'm going to add a draw object rotated C on. And I want it's going to be pos X, pos Y. Somebody turtle, what does that mean? Okay, I'm just going to hack a new one. I want to leave the old one because otherwise anything else it's using it's going to be stuffed. So pos X, pos Y, and I'm just going to, I want to just do it. It's going to be this was Y, and then it's doing the oh, he's got tables for angles. I should be using those. I keep forgetting. Yes, we need to do. I know. I need to do a stacking way. Apparently not Vi at the least. I don't know. No, I don't know. Anyway. Hey, wagon loads. So, do I need to, because he's, if locals and parameters named pos X, what's going on there? Sorry, I've got what? What? Locals and, oh, I didn't realize he was using that. Okay, yep. Okay, that's fine. Not to worry. Oh, yeah, I didn't even look back up at his code, and I should have done that. My bad. What? Cur X and cur Y. They're longs. What's the problem? What have I missed? Redefinition of. What did I miss? Ah. Long X and long Y. I am hacking typo. Terrible. Yep. Yep. Okay. Yep, thanks guys. We're a team, yeah. Must be a missing bracket. Must be a Oh, forget it. Spaces over tabs. Oh, boy. I get a headache. It is coffee time. I'm still waiting for someone to bring me a coffee. I'm going to be waiting until hell freezes over, I think. Read the bleeding chat. Nah. Chat's overrated. Come on. Just kidding. Just kidding. Okay. I might switch the sine and cosine again, but okay, there's a triangle, there's a turtle. Move the turtle. It did that before, so that's no big deal. Yeah, so I rotated it and it moved just by rotating it. So it's rotating at the wrong position. I think I need to rotate it and then offset the position. That's why I redid this thing. I think the issue is this is not designed to be drawn moving. It's designed to rotate around its own center. And I'm messing around with where the center is, right? So that's why I like this here. That's wrong. I believe that it's got to do that. It's got to rotate them based on its own thing. It's got to rotate them around its own center. So I need two things. I still need to do a center here. Long center X, long center Y. Because it still has log. It still has to rotate around its own center. Which is what these minuses were. Missing semicolon. Okay, so I still need to pass it. These ones. I think that is the thing. 3D rotating cube. I had that weeks ago, a 3D rotating cube. You need to calculate the bounding box in my function. No. Well, whatever. It doesn't matter. This should work. This will rotate it around its own center, but then it'll offset the positions by where I tell it to put it. I believe. I believe the children are our future. Not my children. But everyone else's children. Sure. Yeah. This should work in 2022. Told you, it's a year of living dangerously. Okay. Okay, go. Clear them. Good. Okay, move. Rotate. And move. Do it, do it, do it. Oh! No! No! It's facing the right way. Sent Y, current Y. Okay, should be setting to whatever that position is. Okay, I can do that with a triangle. Sure. Yeah, I could. But if I do this, then I can make the shape be whatever I want. Because it draws an object. Like I could scan in a bitmap, and it could draw a bitmap, right? It could be my logo moving around. I don't understand why this isn't working. I'm just offsetting the position at the end. Probably understand the terrible library. Possibly, Chris, but I don't want to do that now because I have to rewrite that whole object system to do that. So, why doesn't, wherever it gets its x from, and I get it to move to that plus x plus y, I don't understand why that won't work. Unless it's not passing the right value through. It should be. Centers. Should be the center of the back line. I don't know what you mean, but the center bit doesn't matter. It's the, why isn't the offset working? The center's working. Look, the thing is in the center of itself, like the line. It's just not moving up and down. I tell it to rotate 45. And tell it to move again. It goes up an angle, but yeah. Calculates the angle 90 degrees from what I expect. Yeah, look, it possibly could be. Okay, so let's get rid of this. Does it think the center is? I could print it, but for the moment, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do what Keen says. God, shock horror. And I'm just going to draw a turtle. Myself. But I need to, but I also need to draw the turtle rotated, right? So my turtle will be, if I just do long turtle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6 would be, so it's going to be negative, I don't know what, how big's my turtle going to be? Negative 20 comma negative 20 starting point from off the center and then it's going to be 40 comma negative 20. Oh, you can't see my code. Oh, son of a bitch. Doesn't matter what I draw, it's the same thing. Negative 40. No. Sorry, negative 20. So it'll be bottom. No, I probably actually want it to go from up first. So from the center, draw the top, then go to the side. No, that's going to be, sorry, 20, 20, and it'll be negative. Shit. Oh my god. That's going to be 0, 20, and that is going to be 20, negative 20, and that's going to be negative 20, negative 20. Right, okay. 0, 20, 20, negative 20, negative 20, negative 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Right, but if I'm doing that, I might as well put the bottom of it and make it a turtle. Make it a triangle, that's all. So then I want to do a I equals 0, I is less than 3, I plus equals 2, no, I equals less than 6, equals 2, I think, long t x equals turtle lines, turtle lines, I plus 1, sine wave yet? What do you mean? So I want to turn it off. Oh, maybe I don't. Let's see, you create a logo style command list for Mr. Turtle and play it back in the same way. Yeah, I was going to do that, Keen. I actually thought about that just before. But, yeah, maybe. I just want to see if I can do this. Just let me see if I can do this. Because then I can build a list of other shapes, right? So is that going to work? I don't know if that's going to work. Let's find out. What? What happened here? How did I lose that bracket? I don't know. Wow, almost 3 hour stream. Crazy. It's easy if you create a logo as well. Yeah. Okay. This is not how you matrix. No, it's not how you matrix at all. He's got some 3D matrix stuff in this, but he doesn't have any 2D matrix stuff. Okay, come on. Wake up, Neo. I can just see, if I get this working, I can just see chat doing and making an absolute mess and fighting over all these commands to move this around. I bet you. That's supposed to be the, I think that's supposed to be the turtle. The turtle ain't drawing. I think my coordinates are too small. 100. Let's make it 200. That'd be way too small. It looks like it's working because you can see where the green dot is, where it thinks it's drawing the turtle. I think. I've got a 3D logo. I had it doing that already. Okay, come on. I don't know what that's doing. I don't think this is drawing a turtle, by the way. Oh, logo commands in 3D. Well, that's almost drawing a turtle. But not quite. Why is it not moving the X and the Y? 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's not drawing back to itself. Interesting. So the first one's actually an offset. So I gotta go how many, if I equals turn the laser off. Else laser on. Maybe. I don't know. Expand the array, fix its size, and your iterator. Yeah, I know. I just had I realized that because it's a turtle. Okay, this is 3 hours almost. I'm going to call this shortly. It's 20 to 6 here in the evening. You can see Yuz and Flynn playing outside. I think I need to get the object stuff working. I think that's the way to go. What I had before. I just need to work out why that offset wasn't working, because the rotation of it was working great. Come on. Yeah, still not drawing a turtle. It's not drawing a turtle. And it could be because I got those flipped, but burn the library with fire. Yeah, I think I do. I know I do. I don't have time. I've got so many other things I need. Way more important things I need to be doing. Like, I want to redo it, and I want to do it in Python. But anyway, I can't do it in if I move the YouTube scraping into like another device, for whatever. We're not talking MQTT or anything. Right, if I have a tiny Pico sitting there scraping YouTube, and then I have my devices talk to it to get the data, all those devices could be running in Python. So I think my next step is to remake this in Python. That's what I'd like to do. Sure, but my language of choice is Python. So I don't care if it's easy or not to do in C or assembler. That's not my language of choice. So now it's just drawing a line the other way. Yeah. Okay, well, this was fun while it lasted. We almost got it working at one point. Almost. Whoops. Oh, there's a turtle. There's a turtle. He's facing the wrong direction. There's a turtle. I'm not sure if you can see it. Oh, now there's not. I wonder if it went off screen. By the way, oh my god, what is going on with this thing? By the way, Chris, yeah, MicroPython is not slow. And I can put whatever I want in C in MicroPython. So, you know, yeah. And Python's not slow. Way fast enough for this stuff. What is... Oh, I'm getting... Really? It's... Chat is adding extra text to my commands somehow. See, sometimes it's drawing a look. See, it's drawing a turtle. It's not facing the right direction, I think. So it just didn't like drawing the turtle at the start. The turtle looks terrible doing it this way. Okay, I'm gonna call it. Yeah. Thanks everyone for the help on the maths. But yeah, I'm gonna call for now. I'm gonna regroup and get rid of this library and come up with something better. And we'll see how we go. Have a great weekend, everyone. We'll catch you all next week. Yeah. I'm going. I'm done. I'm cooked. Overcooked. That's okay. It kind of worked. It's doing something, just not what it's supposed to be doing. Anyway, doesn't matter. Scratch you later, everyone. Bye.